Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change admin on Facebook page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Facebook, and we're gonna tap on our profile icon with your horizontal line on top right corner. Now go to this option called, so here in this section you can see at the pages of ours, right? We're gonna simply go ahead switch to the page of ours, and then we're gonna go ahead tap on our profile icon again, and we're gonna scroll down, tap on this professional or dashboard option, and we're gonna scroll down until you find this option called, and we're gonna go ahead tap on this see more option here in the tools and tap on this page access option. Here you can see we have people with Facebook access for our account. If you would like to add a person or an admin, so we're simply gonna go ahead tap on this add new, and we're gonna go ahead tap on this next option. Now we're gonna search that particular person by simply adding the username, and we're gonna tap confirm that person, and that person will be added as an admin. We can do the simple same thing for the people with the task access and business account with the access as well here in this section, simply by tapping on add new. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.